This video includes a demo of new features in the VarLens extension. Previously, we've seen that we're able to store the variables in the value of the variables in these. So if you hover on this, you will be actually able to see the variable. Now, the point is, if you want to share these values that you have stored with your colleague, how can you do it? And maybe if you want to see all the variables that actually the extension is storing, so how you can be able to do that. So if you actually enter Shift Command and P, uh, and then you will actually see the show command there. You can simply write this valence show command, and you'll be able to see all the different variables actually storing. The next thing is if you do it again, valence, you will actually be able to see this export command. If you want to share it, you first have to export it and then store it somewhere. Right? Let's store it in the documents, and default name is this one. You can save it anything. Uh, and you will be actually able to store it. Now, in your colleague has simply have to do this. You have to share the file with him, and then he'll have to go in this with this, and then open it. So you'll be actually seeing this message. It's imported successfully. Now all the variables that you have stored, you will be able to share it. And one last thing that I've done in this new feature is that I have removed the dependency of the .var lens cache file, and I'm using actually internal state of the VS Code itself. So there is no extra file you have to store.